Hey guys, so today I'll be sharing my honest review on Fix Plus, if it's worth buying, and also 5 different ways of using it. Now Fix Plus is it's not a very new product in market, but everybody loves it, and I was also skeptical about this. There have been many times when I went to buy it, when I was like 1500 rupees. It actually retails for 1500 rupees and it's for 100 ml. So it is a setting spray and not a fixing spray. It does not fix your makeup. It does not a fixing makeup, as in it does not make your makeup stay longer. It's not like a primer or anything. This is actually a setting spray which actually takes off all your powdery effect from your makeup, and it looks very subtle and glowy. So I kind of love it. I love Fix Plus. It looks like this. It looks just like water for 1500 bucks, but it's a good investment because winters are coming up. Your skin will get dry and you cannot really apply moisturizer every time over your makeup. So this will be a very good investment for that, because it actually moisturizes the dry areas, and so when you spray it on, it actually leaves a good layer kind of a thing, which looks very glowy, and it gives a very nice effect to it. Your skin looks like skin no matter how much makeup you have put on. It does not look like cakey or flaky or anything of that sort. So this is very nice. So let me tell you 5 different ways of how I use my Fix Plus. The first would be as a fixing setting spray, which after makeup I just spray it on, or if I'm feeling very, like, if I feel that my face is very dull, I use this. Or as in office and then you feel tired, just for refreshing your skin up, it's very good for that as well. So yes, the first would be just setting your makeup with this and refreshing your skin. The second way I use, which just does not come out well, for example, let's take a color. Let me take a purple color, which looks very good on my finger, but when I apply it on my skin or my eyes, it does not give that kind of a color which I would see. See, it's so powdery and no, not good. So I'll just spray some Fix Plus on my brush. See, it actually looks so nice, and you can also turn your eyeliners, this powder kind of eyeshadows as eyeliner. You can just spray some water on your brush and you can just draw eyeliners, so you'll have any color of eyeliner you want. Okay, so let me show you how it looks. See? So it actually changes the whole look, right? I mean, look at the color pigmentation here and here. Even for my eyeshadow I've done that. That's where the color are popping out. So, and last a little longer because it has this water base, which when you apply it kind of stays on your eyes for a longer time. So the third use is I use it on my hair as well. There are so many times when your hair is so tangly and you want to actually brush your hair, but they are like so tangled up, you don't know what to do, and then you kind of put serum on it and whatnot and this and that. But if you don't have time, so what you do, you just take your Fix Plus and you just spray on your hair like that, leave it for 10 seconds or so, or even less. Just spray it and just let it be, and then you can brush your hair. You'll be amazed to see how easy it would become to use a brush through your tangled hair. So that's a very good thing to use also. There are these gel eyeliners and mascaras which kind of gets dry and we have no other option but to throw them away. But with Fix Plus you can even fix that. Yes. So what you do is, if you have your gel eyeliner or if you have your mascaras, the old mascara, which please check if they are in the expiry dates. So if they are still not expired, then only go ahead with it. So you can just spray some Fix Plus in your gel eyeliner, or if you don't want to put it in that gel eyeliner box, Fix Plus, and then you can use it. So that way I think it will be better. If not, you can also just spray some Fix Plus in it, let it be for some time, and mix it up, and it can work wonders. I mean, it will be just like before. Even same goes with the mascaras. If the mascara is dry, so what you do is just spray some on the brush, put it inside, mix it and use it. If not, just spray some in the mascara thing, and then just you can use it up. That tip number 5 is simple. There are so many times, you know, you have got some foundation which are very heavy, or you just don't feel like wearing foundation some days, and or it's very heavy and it's summers and you know you're going to sweat so much, etc., and but you still want some makeup on. So what you do, you just take your foundation, whichever you think is like very heavy, don't throw it away, just take a pump of your foundation, the heavy foundation, just take a pump of it and then spray some Fix Plus on it, like on your palm. Just take your foundation and just spray. Then you can take a brush and just mix it and apply it. It's going to make it very diluted form of foundation, and also when you apply it to your skin, it's going to leave a very good nice sheen on what do you call, a dewy skin, you know. It's going to give a very dewy look, which I kind of love. So yes, you don't really have to throw away your foundations which you hate, because they are consistency. So yes, they were all my 5 tips. Let's recap. You can use them first for your setting your makeup, second for your hair, to detangle your hair, third for eyeshadows or making your own eyeshadow liners, fourth would be if your gel eyeliners and mascaras are getting dry, don't throw it away, just spray some plus in the gel eyeliner or mascara directly, or in your brush or the wand, vice versa, and just use it. It's going to be working fine. And the 5th one, the last one, is how you can actually make your foundations, powder or cream or liquid, whatever foundations, the thick foundations, into a runny and a light coverage foundation, with giving it a very dewy look on your skin. So those were my 5 tips. Hope you enjoy it, and yeah, much money, because it's kind of a good product to invest on. Thank you. If you like my look, I have already done a tutorial on it, and link the down below in the description box. Do check it out. Let me know if you like it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.